Good day. Today I'd like to tell you about setting up Trimble Access survey styles. There are a number of different survey styles that can be used, and today I would like to tell you about using the SX10 or the SX12 and how to set up that survey style. So first of all, we'll choose instrument, and we will choose a manufacturer, and we would choose our instrument. Our measurement mode would be standardized, the standard method would be on track. You can then decide if you want to measure on phase 1 and phase 2. You would set that up. You would tick that box. The rest of the settings I would leave as is. For the topo point, if you want to view before storage, perhaps you don't, you can uncheck that and you can see or choose what you would like to have displayed on the controller screen. Stakeout point, pretty standard. The only thing I would change is I would choose design name and last code use. For staking out a point, I do like to view before storage. Duplicate point tolerance, I like to leave that at 0 so that even if I have a 1 millimeter kick, I can actually see that and I'd be very happy with that. You can go through your auto average based on tolerances or residuals. You can select that over there and you're able to go through that. Proximity check is, if there's another point with the same name within a specific radius or diameter with a vertical height as well. The rest of the items I won't go through today. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed.